Manufacturers from China, Zontes launched the Zontes 350D, which is a maxi scooter that has an anti-mainstream and futuristic design. Welcome to Milgarage channel. This scooter also offers decent performance, even when compared to scooters in its class. This Zontes product is the fastest. The many manufacturers from China who are known to imitate other manufacturers, Zontes is one manufacturer that has its own original design. The design is anti-mainstream, sporty, sharp and also offers competitive engine performance. However, this bike is actually less popular in China, but quite popular in Europe. For specifications, this Zontes 350D carries a liquid-cooled 349 cubic centimeter one-cylinder SOHC engine. With the FI fuel atomizer from Bosch, this motor is capable of reaching a maximum power of 27 kilowatt, or the equivalent of 36.4 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and peak torque of 38 Nm at 6,000 RPM. When compared to the Forza 350, which only has 28.8 horsepower, the specs of this Chinese motorcycle are superior. Even though the engine capacity is large, it is claimed that it can be invited to be economical up to 3.5 liters to cover 100 kilometers. This motorbike has a fairly low seat height of 780 mm, so it is friendly for novice riders. The tank capacity is decent, only 12 liters of fuel. It weighs about 168 kilograms, and the tire size is asymmetrical 120 by 70 by 15 inches at the front and 140 by 70 by 14 inches at the rear.